Hello guys, welcome back to more Let's Play Donkey Kong 64. Today is a special episode, and I never would have thought that this banana, out of all bananas, would be a special. But we are going to do Lanky's tile slamming minigame in Crystal Caves, and it's the last banana we need out of Crystal Caves. So let's see here. Okay, Lanky 4 out of 5. We're done with everybody else in Crystal Caves. Regular bananas and all, but we just need... the tile slamming minigame. So let's go to Crystal Caves, shall we? I totally should have taken the 3 warp over here. Why I didn't, it's beyond me. I probably should have started this episode in the entrance to Crystal Caves. Crystal Caves is hard to even get to. Alright, so let's go do this tile slamming minigame, and you'll find out why that this is a special episode. And why I saved this tile slamming minigame for last. I kind of wish I didn't do the Beetle Race. Part 26, because that would have been a good addition to this special, to just do the ice castle, but I already did the Beetle Race. But it's time for the tile slamming minigame. And we are going to go into the room of the castle that we have not been. Because remember, the beetle was in the chimney. And we're just gonna be walking through the front of the castle this time. We're gonna be done with Crystal Caves for good after this banana. Okay. So once this minigame gets started, you'll find out why this minigame is so hard. But before we start with the minigame, let's complete Lanky's regular bananas in Crystal Caves. There we go. Hey Lanky, it's not much fun being stuck in this pokey igloo, so I've made up a game to pass the time. If I don't play soon, I'll die of boredom. How about it, buddy? Why don't you just walk out of the igloo? Just take a walk or something. See those tiles? Turn as many over to show your face as possible. Yippee, let's go. Okay, so here's why this minigame is so hard. Well, it wasn't hard before, but with the red slam it is. Lanky is suspended in the air for a longer time. And I can't hit the... Oh, dang it, wow. I can't hit the tiles nearly as fast as I could. Lanky! Come on, man! Oh, I'm gonna lose this one. Yeah, because see, Lanky is suspended in the air. Oh my gosh, I just flipped over my own tile. Lanky is like, suspended in the air for a longer time. And you see with the blue slam, this minigame is much easier. Okay. Oh wow, I just turned mine over. Okay, I'm toast. I'm toast. Darn it. Alright, let's try again. I like this game. What fun. Can we play again, please? Well, yeah, since I have to complete Crystal Caves. See those tiles, turn as many over? Yeah. So I think you get the gist of this now. You're supposed to turn all of his to DK ones, and he's trying to turn all mine to K. Rool tiles, and whoever has the most tiles showing on this grid is the winner. Oh, come on, Lanky. Stop hitting the side, Lanky. Stop hitting the side. Oh, it's a dead tie right now. Ah, he's barely ahead, though. What even is this guy, anyway? A ghost of a frozen tomato? Maybe it's one of the tomatoes from Fungi Forest. After I lose this, I'm gonna have to... No, don't hit my own. Oh my gosh. I hit my own. That is ridiculous. Alright, who won? Him again. See, it's harder when I have the red slam because Lanky is suspended in the air. It's not so bad if you just have the blue slam. Like, I can easily win if I have the blue slam, but the red one is a lot harder. Just gotta be careful on hitting those. Because Lanky's suspended in the air for a longer time. And the slam takes longer, so. Oh good, I'm glad I didn't just flip over my own. I just have to hit all these now. What happens if you tie with them? I don't know that, but like... I think it's an even tie right now. Alright. No! Crap! Crap! Crap, 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 crap! Yeah, I know how to play this game. You don't have to say, turn as many over to show your face as possible, pal. Gosh. I'd love to know what happens if you tie with them, though. Because, like, there's like a winning animation or losing animation, but they never show anything about ties. Like, does it count as a win or a loss? Like, if you tie with them. Because, see, look, right here it's an even tie. Oh, is it going to end in a dead tie? Right, okay, right here it's a tie. Okay, I think this is a tie. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, you can't tie with them, I guess. Okay, so you have to beat him. Yeah, I think I tied with them. I either tied or I lost by 1. So, like, I lost by like 1 or 2. Like, I either if I didn't tie, I lost by like 1 or 2. Okay. But I'm supposed to beat him, I guess, not tie with him. Which is good because I don't like ties. Like, when NFL games end in a tie, I really do not like that. Because it's like wasting 3 hours just to end in a tie. And why can't it be like MLB or something like that when it goes to extra innings? Or something like that. Keep going until they have a winner. I know people say theoretically a baseball game may never end, but the odds against that are like 1 in Graham's number, basically. Okay. Did I tie again? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I tied. Okay, yeah, you can't tie with them. I didn't even try to tie. I just... So yeah, you either lose or you win. There's no tie. And a tie goes to the tomato, I guess. Okay, you just want to play on a 3x3 grid and ignore the fact that it's a 4x4, Mr. Tomato? Okay. I'm winning now. Okay. Oh no, it's a tie. Oh wait, no. I'm ahead of him by 1. 2 now. Yes. Okay. Here we go. Come on, don't tie, just win. No ties here. Yes! Yes! I did it. Okay. Oh no, it took me days to think of that game when you beat me. You're not my friend anymore. You were never my friend. You got beat up by Chunky, and that's why you're a ghost. 170! Woo! Okay, you know what? Let's try to make it 171 by going to Fungi Forest and attempting the rabbit race again. I probably won't, but let's just try it. Okay, so we're officially done with Crystal Caves now. And since we're lanky, we might as well just go to Fungi Forest. Alright. At least I'm just gonna try it. If it cuts off at here, it really doesn't matter. Alright, so here we go, the rabbit race. This is the only thing we need out of Fungi Forest, right? Yeah, it is. So I just wanted to double check I just wasn't missing anything from this level. Okay, go to 4 Banana Port. On the 4, Lanky. There we go. Wow, that really take a while? Does it really hurt anyone to go on the 4? Alright, let's wake this guy up. I probably won't get it, is my guess. I'm ready for you this time, Lanky. Okay. Yeah, whatever. I'll probably have time for like 2 attempts or something like that. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Wow, okay. You probably would have glitched on the orange if those were there long enough. Oh no, Lanky, no! Oh, jump through the freaking logs, Lanky. No! Crap! I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna just run at full speed. Probably still won't make it, though. He's on the other side of that tree stump. He's down there already, yeah. He's way up there. Yeah. Ugh. Alright, Lanky, try again. I know for a fact 14 is enough crystal coconuts to attempt this race. Alright. Wow, okay. I just avoided that grenade. I thought I was going to hit the grenade, but apparently not. Oh, yes, he glitched! Oh, man. Not enough, though. Doesn't look like I'm going to make this. Or will I? Oh my gosh. Am I going to make this? No, don't glitch on the thing. Darn it. I'm gonna come close. Oh man, I have a shot. No, darn it. Darn it. I almost won. Okay, 6. You know what? I'm gonna try anyway, but... Okay, 5. Whoa. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick up those before I do one more attempt. Because I know for a fact 5 is not enough. Okay, 12. That should be enough for one more. Alright. Wait, is that rabbit sleeping with his eyes open? Really? Wow, okay. drinking from my glass of water, I basically retired the tradition of drinking from my mug every episode because, well, because I kept forgetting. I know I still have my Mario mug, which I really enjoy now. Come on, Lanky, come on. Oh wow, nice jump over the tree stump by Lanky. I don't think I'm gonna make it though. Yeah, a tie at this point always goes to him. Oh! I was touching the finish line! Crap. Wow, okay, so 5 is not enough. And I'm not going to try to do it without the barrel. Because I don't want to use glitches in my winning run. Because, you know, I know a lot of Let's Players do that, but it just feels like cheating to me. So, alright, so, yeah, we're going to be doing backtracking to Creepy Castle soon. And that's good news because Creepy Castle is an awesome world. And, yeah, I'm probably going to be doing this again on the 24th, but if not, certainly the 25th. So I will see you guys this weekend. Later.